Hi, good morning. Another day, another devotion. So, mag-devotion tayo ngayon sa Proverbs chapter 16, verse 1. Sabi dito, "To humans belong the plans of the heart, but from the Lord comes the proper answer of the tongue." To human, tayo ang nagpaplano at ang Diyos ang nag-answer ng prayer natin. Before, nung nag-apply ako, and then I'm currently working as a sales representative, akala ko makakabenta na agad ako. Akala ko madali lang siya. Akala ko reach ko agad yung goal ko. But then I realized na hindi pa enough yung strategy ko, hindi pa enough yung plano ko, hindi pa naka-align yung plan ko sa plan ni God. So, I started to recall, to replan my life, my journey, and kung ano yung mangyayari in the future. Little by little, God is so patient with me, and God helped me para planuhin kung ano ba ang mangyayari once na God answered my prayer. Because God won't answer your prayer kung saan alam niya na hindi mo ito ikabubuti. God will answer your prayer para sa ikabubuti mo. Kailangan naka-align lang yung plano mo sa will ng Panginoon para mas maganda ang resulta. If it has happened na you haven't experienced pa yung prayer or hindi pa na-answer yung prayer mo, let's continue praying. Pray without ceasing. God will help us. God is in every part of our journey. Hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Hindi niya hayaan na yung anak niya malugmok. God is our refuge. God is our strength. So, keep fighting. Kaya natin yan para sa pangarap. Kaya natin yan. Bye. God bless.